So here we are going to talk about how we can operate Canvas or how Canvas can be useful for students. So when we learn through Canvas, it's obviously a little bit complicated, but if we just run it uh, properly, then it's not so difficult for us. So after logging using your password and Canvas ID, you can see the window here, you can see the dashboards, and these all are the courses that you have been enrolled. So you can see the courses in which you have been enrolled. Let's see on the left hand side, you can see some icons or buttons, and these icons have separate functions. So I would like to go to account. So if you just go to account, you can see here your account. You can see the notification profiles, file settings, e-portfolio, say content, cure for mobile login, global announcements. Okay, so here especially the button notifications help us how and what we want to be notified. So you can see it here, your notifications, how or when you can be or what you want to be notified. Right, so if you want to be notified the due date, so you can just go here and click notify immediately or daily or weekly, or you can off also, no matter. So if you want to see the grade policies, for example, if you want to know something about your grading or when you're given or evaluated or when you're graded, so you can just go here and you can click on notify immediately or daily note summary or weekly summary. As per this, all you can see it yourselves. So if you want to know something about the course content, regarding course contents, if you given pages or quizzes or assignments. So if you want to be notified immediately, then you can see it yourself as well. Okay, in the same way, you can just go to profile here. So if you click on the profile, then you can see your profile if you have set. If you have not set, then you can just go to edit profile. So you can edit your profile here. You can just change your name. You can write your pronoun, or you can write your title. You can set your contact. Either you can go by setting, clicking here, or you can just set your contact, clicking on the setting on the left side. So in the same way, you can just write your short biography and your links or something else like this all here. Okay, if you want to change your photo or if you want to just keep your photo, then you can see there a paint button. You can click on it, or you can just upload your picture. You can take your picture from a computer or mobile editor. So this is all up to you. You can do. Okay, so the next button is file. So here in file, whatever you have uploaded, you can just see there. If you have not uploaded anything, then you cannot see anything there. Okay, in the same way, so let's go back then. So setting, as I have already told you, you can set your profiles either by your profiles or directly go to setting. Here you can see your names, your displayed name, your full name, and something else like that. All you can set by edit your profile. Okay, so e-portfolio, it's not so important for us, but I'm sure that you can create your e-portfolio also here. If you want to create your e-portfolio, then you can go there. Okay, in the same way, shared content. If you want to just want to see your shared content, then you can just go all it's all. Okay, now the recent Canvas improvement, or Canvas has given us very good facilities. So you can immediately join Canvas by your mobile. So for that, Canvas also provides us QR code. So QR for mobile login. So if you want to log in Canvas by your mobile, then you can just go to QR for mobile login. You can proceed it. So you can get obviously QR code. You can just log in with the help of your mobile also by this QR code. Okay, so in the same way, if you just go to dashboard, as I have already told you, so you can see the list of the course seats here in which you have been enrolled. So if you want to just go to, so you just click on the course which you want to learn. For example, if you want to learn business research methods, then you can just click on here. Before this, if you want to change the background of the icons, then I'm sure that you can just see here the three dots, click on the three dots. Then you can see here the different colors. So you can choose your colors to save the backgrounds. For example, I would like to choose the red one. So simply I can apply it, and obviously we can what? Change our background. Okay, so in the same way, you can see there's some icons. This is the icon of announcements, and this one is for the assignment. This is for discussion, and this is the file. So if your instructor has announced some courses or some notification, then I'm sure that there appears the numbers. How many announcements are there? So if there is one, then one written. If then two, then two. For example, you can see here there are three discussions, and this was verbal. Okay, if you just click on the dashboard, so you can enter to your course. So here you can see automatically after dashboard that course is called. So first, automatically the home page is displayed. Obviously, so you can just go through your home page. The home page shows the summary of the whole course. You can see about the instructor. You can see about the background of the course. Each and everything there. So home page is very simple summary for the course as well. Okay. So the next button is about the announcement. So if your instructor announce something, then you can see in announcements, for example, the instructor has announced here about the course, when the course begins and how the course begins. Likewise, if you want to go about the course in detail, you can just go to syllabus. So click on the syllabus, then you can find here the syllabus, or simply you can see the syllabus there through the online also. It's all about what you can just go. Okay, so I don't want to wait it for more. I'm sure the one PDF file will be displayed here about the what syllabus in detail. Okay, so the main thing or the main part of Canvas course is the modules. Okay, this is the most important part, this is the module. So you can see your real content or the real lesson in modules. So if you click on the modules, then you can see here all the modules. So how many modules or how many units or how many weeks you are going to learn, which all are set in modules. So first here is what the welcome modules. In welcome modules, this is all about the orientation of the course. Okay, then the first week, unit 1 introduction. This can be what the second modules. Week 2 can be the third modules. Week 3 can be of the fourth modules, and week 4 can be of fifth modules, or week 5th, week 6th, week 7th, in this way. So this is all said about the course. Okay, this course is about previous 4 years. The title of the course is Business Research Method. Okay, so if you just want to learn something, so you can just click on the pages. You can see here different icons. The icons are of pages and discussions and announcement. Or you can see here the assignment as well. You can see here the attachment also. You can see here quizzes also. These are all. So if you just talk about the discussion, so let's know each other. So just see the example of discussions. And so that if you just click on the discussions or let's know each other, then you can see here the instructor has introduced the discussions. Obviously, the instructor has written something about, you can just reply the instructor, or you can post your views, your ideas. This is, you can just comment to your what colleagues. Okay, so I would like to go back to modules once again then. So after completing this, you can go to the first modules, or you can go to, after completing first, you can go to second modules. So it depends on the instructor. If these modules are locked, then you have to complete all the activities or assignments previously if you want to go to the next modules. Okay, so let's go to grade. Okay, in grade, especially you can see here the list. So nothing has been unlocked now. So some assignments, the evaluated assignments, if the instructor has given you the evaluated assignments, then the instructor will evaluate your assignment and will grade you. So if he or she grades you, then you can see your marks here. It will be displayed in this chart. Okay, so not only this, you can just go back again. Uh, Definitely, as I told you, assignment, if you directly want to do the assignment, you can just go and click in assignment. So up to 7 weeks, how many assignments have been given? The list of assignment is displayed in this box. Okay. So in the same way, I have already told you about the discussions. Look at discussions. So we have a single discussion up to now. I have just created. Okay, so see here discussions. If you want to directly enter to the discussion part, then you can directly go to discussion here. Otherwise, you can just go through the course sequentially. Okay, here's the next part, that's people. In people, when you click in people, then you can see the list of teachers or the students who have been enrolled by the instructor. So here only SMC, that is Ampersand Multiple Campus, is a students, and here one teacher. So if you're enrolled, your name list, your photos will be displayed in the sections. Okay, pages. So what the documents, especially here, the front page is shown. Otherwise, the pages is all about what the activities you have given the students to read. All of them. Okay, the next thing we can see here, the attendance. So it is not shown there. It can be shown there also, attendance. So it's really very fruitful and useful tools, because if you want to make the students compulsorily to take the courses, then you can keep the records of attendance. I have not said it well. So you can attend the students daily. So you can go to your class, you can see your class, you can see the names of the students here and date as well. So obviously you can take the attendance of the students in this way. Okay, so if you want to go to rubrics, so if you don't know about rubrics, it's okay, no matter. Rubrics is a matter. Rubric is obviously the idea of evaluating the students. Okay, quizzes, if you want to do the exercise about quizzes directly, so you can just go to quiz here. In the same way, if you want to conduct the conference between you and teachers or among the students, then you can create here the conferences. The teacher create the conferences and keeps the date. So I'm sure that it will be displayed in the navigation sections. Right, either you can see there in calendar, or it will remind you later on. Okay, collaboration. Nowadays, this is the most important techniques, or we can say the methods nowadays for learning and teaching with each other, collaborating with the colleagues or teachers, or joining together or working together obviously gives us some ideas. Okay, right. So these are all about what we can see about the courses. Okay, as I just told you about the calendars, so let's go to calendars. Calendars helps us to remind all the activities and assignments given by the instructor of the course also. So you can just download or click here. So what is the okay, you can see here 31st. So what assignment will be given? What is the activity will be conducted on 31st? You can easily see. You can edit it yourself also. Right, you cannot edit it. The instructor should edit it, but I am sure that you can download it so that you can be reminded. Okay, the next important part, as I would like to go to, is the inbox. Okay, now, so in inbox, if you want to communicate, or if you want to chat with their friends or colleagues, or if you want to ask some questions to your teachers, then simply you can just go to inbox, you can write your queries, you can write your questions, and you can send it to either your colleagues or your teachers. Okay, here the next button shows the history, what you have recently uh, done, or which folders or files you have opened, and these all uh, comes here and sit in history. I didn't think that we need more than this. Okay, now, so once again, let's go back here and let's see. So the account section shows your account where you can change your profile. Dashboard is one of the most important part where you can see the list of the courses you have been enrolled. You can directly click on the course which you want to learn. Okay, so if you just click on the dashboards, automatically the course will be displayed. And you can see here. Okay, I would like to go to right hand side. Here you can see the navigations, and the most important part is coming up. So it has not been shown anything up to now. So in coming up sections, you can see the activities or assignment which you have to do the next. So in this way, we can just complete our course. Thank you.